There are several benefits of drinking fennel tea. It helps calm an upset stomach. It has antibacterial properties that can freshen your breath. The antiviral properties of fennel fight infections. It may even increase breast milk production in breastfeeding moms. The benefits of fennel tea include reducing the formation of blood clots, increasing milk secretion, and supporting the female reproductive system, acting as an antioxidant, having antibacterial effects, antifungal activity, anti-inflammatory properties, and prevents diabetes. Fennel tea have compounds which helps in strengthening or improving eyesight, regulate hormones, improve digestion, and improve memory. Some studies have reported that it acts as antimicrobial and antiviral agent which help the immune system to fight infections and bacteria. The tea contains antioxidants which help to prevent harmful agents to attack the body. Fennel tea has been studied for its secondary plant metabolites, of which estragol is carcinogenic to rodents. However, more scientific evidence is needed to know its effects on humans. Fennel tea is regularly used to help with digestion. It also contains a phytoestrogen called anethol, beneficial for nursing mothers, which could help boost breast milk production. Fennel is aromatic with a pleasant flavor. Thus, its main properties are potassium and vitamin C, an essential mineral and a powerful vitamin, respectively. Not only, it is rich in vitamin A and other minerals. Also, fennel contains malic acid. This substance is an acid derived from plant foods, and the salt forms of malic acid known as malates help in the intracellular energy production process. Thus, malic acid can be used to improve the digestive functions of the stomach. It can help fight infections. It can help you sleep. It can aid breast milk production. It can support digestion. It increases the amount of antioxidants in your body. It can freshen your breath. It can relieve constipation. Health benefits of fennel tea include improving immunity, balancing hormone levels, eye health, aiding in digestion, reducing inflammation, and lowering blood pressure.